Experiencing the frustrating dual monitor mouse click glitch auto skipping dialog in Monster Hunter World. This video immediately solves your MHW dialog skipping problem. First, adjust MHW display settings. Toggle between borderless window and full screen. This re-registers mouse input, preventing unintended skips across multiple screens. If that doesn't fix it, outdated drivers are next. For method 2, open Device Manager, locate your mouse and update its driver. Fresh drivers ensure better compatibility and stability, resolving input irregularities. Still skipping dialog. System overlays might be the culprit. For method 3, disable the Xbox game bar and any background recording in Windows gaming settings. These overlays often steal focus, causing misread mouse actions. Finally, differing monitor refresh rates can cause display synchronization issues. Method 4, verify both monitor refresh rates in Windows display settings. Ensure they are compatible or synced. This ensures smoother visuals, eliminating timing conflicts. Implement these steps for uninterrupted MHW gameplay.